Exhibit is a digital signage system that offers intuitive, easy-to-use, cloud-based content management. From one location, Exhibit can easily handle anything from a single menu board to a corporate-scale ad campaign. With Exhibit, you can customize your display with multiple types of media and schedule them to appear days, weeks, or even months in advance. First, upload your media to the Exhibit servers. Simply open the Upload menu and select from numerous types of media content on your computer. Now, schedule your playlists. You have complete control to decide what content will be displayed at what time. If desired, playlists can be extensively customized, allowing you to cycle through videos, change text every few seconds, or replace the whole screen with a video between menu displays. You can easily get started using a preset template. Add whatever media you choose to customize and save templates, or create your own using the template editor. You can schedule anything you like: media, templates, and playlists. These can be scheduled days, weeks, or even months in advance. Exhibit keeps reports of device activity. This gives a tangible confirmation of when the device was active and can be a useful resource for advertisers.